What's up, guys? Hero20 here, and welcome back to another Gardening with Ty video. Today, I have a return to one of my past projects that was successful until a couple years ago. The cold killed it. Then I tried to do it again. Back when what did I grow? It was the pineapple plants, and it was the banana plant. That failed. So, I have these new crowns, and I just planted it. And I'm now going to do an update on these. These are the original pots that my original pineapples were in that I was growing for. One of them I was growing for almost 2 years, a year and a half, 2 years. And the other one was about 7 months old. And the cold killed them both. So, the older one survived longer. But the younger one did not. So, it was unfortunate. But I want to try again. So, here it is. I literally saw it at my local store. I guess some people bought some pineapple, and they ripped the crown off and threw it on the ground. And it was perfectly free. So I took it. So God forbid, if it does fail, I didn't lose any money. So it doesn't really matter. Over here in the middle, you see this pot. This is actually sugarcane that I also found. I was on my way leaving the house to go somewhere, and someone threw it on the ground, or it fell out the back of the truck. And I looked at it because I've always wanted sugarcane for years now. And that looked like a sugarcane. I'm going to check it out. So I literally backed up and checked. Lo and behold, oh my God, it was sugarcane. What did I do? I put it in my trunk, drove home, and I said, yep, I'm going to do something with that later. And I put some in the water to see if I could root it. It didn't work. And I had cut off a piece, and I put it in here to see if it'll root, and it did. Due to the cold, it's stunted, but it is growing. So my house is pretty small, so I already have a good bit of plants. So I have to find a place to put these safely, because I don't want the cold to kill it or stunt it. I want it to grow. So I didn't even water them yet. I literally just finished. So I'm gonna water them right now. But yeah, we're gonna try this again. I tried to grow sugarcane years, and I mean years ago, like 5-6 years ago. It was a very long time ago. For those who do not know, I'm Gullah Geechee, from South Carolina. I believe there's some people who's Gullah Geechee on the coast of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. But I'm from South Carolina. Hilton Head, to be specific. And we were in a little place called Ladies Island near the Beaufort area. They would have a Gullah Geechee festival. Food, storytelling, music is all fun in the month of November. I think the second or third week of November, and I would always go. I would be in the parade. I would be on the Gullah Geechee tour bus parade. So if you ever go, and I ever have chance, since I'm an adult now, I'm always busy. Hopefully I could go next year. Y'all might see me. Who knows? But when I would go there, I would, of course, get food and have a good time, and I would buy sugarcane. Every year I would go sugarcane, and I would try to grow it. And it is a fidgety, what I don't want to say plant. It's a fidgety plant to grow. It takes years, up to 2 years to grow to be edible. But it takes a minute. I didn't have much experience when I was younger, but now maybe I might have hope this time around. So let's see if I can grow sugarcane, and I will give y'all an update on it. So probably next month to today, I will probably make an update. And maybe not, maybe later. I don't know yet, but hopefully next month of the day that I made this video, I should have a little update for y'all. So again, this is my pineapple. I don't know the species at all. All I know is a pineapple. I don't know the species. I got 2. And over here, my sugarcane. Also don't know the species. I have no idea. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I was up to with my gardening. So I hope y'all like it. I will see y'all in hopefully another month. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share. And I appreciate y'all. And y'all have a good one. See y'all in the next video. Ty Wood 20 out. Peace.